Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to get and activate Microsoft Azure $100 credit that they're offering it for specifically for school, university, college going students. Simply type on Google Microsoft Azure student and you will see the very first link which appears. This is the official Microsoft website. So Microsoft Azure, as you see, they have this cloud program. Specifically, they give you $100 of free credits, so built in the cloud for Microsoft Azure for students for free. So if you are a college or school going student in university, you can apply for this offer. Simply go to this website and they have exactly tell you, you will see you will get $100 of free credit to use on Azure services within 12 months. So you can use this credit for 12 months and use it on Azure services. Available only to full-time university students. No credit card is required. So no verification, no credit card is required. Free monthly amounts of 20 plus popular services for 12 months. Free monthly amounts of 65, always free services. Access to full catalog of services up to free amounts and $100 credit. So all these things you will get, you can read more about it right here. As long as you are a student, you need to prove that. Just give some verification and you will get your $100 of free credit. So this is all that you need to do and you click on start free. So as soon as you click this, you need to have a Microsoft account for this. So if you don't have the account, you can simply sign up. I've already logged in with my Microsoft account. So now the verification will automatically start. Once you click this link, you just need to fill out a form. So right here you need to provide a verification method. Either you can provide a school email address or a verification code, or you can verify through GitHub. So these three options are available. So if you select verification code, you need to enter your 25-digit verification code of your institution, college or university. Third option is GitHub and you can authorize it through GitHub as well. So we could not confirm your status as a student from your GitHub email. So GitHub also has a developer program. So if you are already authenticated as a student on github.com, you can simply use it, click the authorize button and they will use the details from your GitHub account. As I'm not a student, so let me select the first option, school email address. This is a very basic option and the best option that I can tell you. Just enter your school email address. So if the school is in their database, they will email you a verification link and this email address will only be used for verification purpose, and for everything else you will use your Microsoft account email. So just enter your school email address at the rate whatever is your education and institution name, and you just need to re-enter that and then click on verify academic status. So that email address need to be correct. Sorry, what your system have detected with your account and unable to validate your access. So if you just enter an incorrect email address, you will get this message. So make sure that your email is correct. You can even contact the support team as well. So once the verification completes, you will get this $100 of free Azure credits directly inside your account. So definitely check out this offer, guys. This is the official offer which is provided by Microsoft, $100 of free credits for students. So definitely check this out.